Hi everyone. Welcome to Facts Beyond Horizon. Today, we're going to dive into the amazing world of bees. Bees are fascinating creatures, and there are so many interesting facts about them. Let's get started. Number 1. Bees are crucial for pollination. Did you know that bees play a vital role in pollination? They help plants reproduce by transferring pollen from one flower to another. This process is essential for the growth of fruits, vegetables, and nuts. In fact, about 1/3 of the food we eat depends on pollination by bees. Without bees, many of our favorite foods like apples, almonds, and strawberries wouldn't be as abundant. Bees also help pollinate plants that are crucial for the diets of animals, so their work supports entire ecosystems. Number 2. There are over 20,000 species of bees. You might think there is only one type of bee, but there are actually over 20,000 species. They come in different shapes, sizes, and colors. The most well-known species is the honeybee, but there are many others, like bumblebees, carpenter bees, and sweat bees. Some bees are tiny, measuring less than 2 millimeters, while others like the Wallace's giant bee can be as long as 4 centimeters. Each species has unique behaviors and roles in the ecosystem. Number 3. Bees have 5 eyes. Yes, bees have 5 eyes. They have 2 large compound eyes on the sides of their head, and 3 smaller simple eyes on the top. The compound eyes help them see movement and colors, while the simple eyes help them detect light intensity. These eyes are incredibly sensitive to ultraviolet light, which is not visible to humans. This ability helps bees locate flowers that have UV patterns, guiding them to the nectar. Number 4. Bees communicate through dance. Bees have a unique way of communicating with each other. They perform a waggle dance to tell other bees where to find food. The dance involves moving in a figure-8 pattern and wiggling their bodies. The angle of the dance relative to the sun tells the direction, and the duration of the waggle tells the distance. This sophisticated method of communication allows bees to efficiently find and collect nectar, ensuring the survival of the hive. Number 5. Honeybees live in colonies. Honeybees live in large colonies, sometimes with tens of thousands of bees. Each colony has a queen bee, worker bee, and drones. The queen's job is to lay eggs, the workers handle foraging, building the hive, and caring for the young, and the drones mate with the queen. Worker bees have specialized roles that change as they age. Young workers clean the hive and feed larvae, middle-aged workers produce wax and build the hive, and older workers forage for food. Number 6. Bees make honey. One of the most well-known facts about bees is that they make honey. Honeybees collect nectar from flowers and turn it into honey, which they store in the hive as food. Honey is not only delicious for us, but also a vital food source for bees during the winter. Bees have special stomachs for storing nectar. When they return to the hive, they pass the nectar to other bees, who chew it and turn it into honey. The honey is then stored in hexagonal cells and capped with beeswax. Number 7. Bees can fly up to 15 miles per hour. Bees are fast flyers. They can reach speeds of up to 15 miles per hour. Their wings beat incredibly fast, about 200 times per second, which is why you hear that buzzing sound when they're nearby. Despite their small size, bees can travel long distances in search of food, sometimes up to 5 miles from their hive. Number 8. Bees have a great sense of smell. Bees have an excellent sense of smell, which helps them find flowers and communicate with each other. They have around 170 odor receptors, which is more than many other insects. Their sensitive antennae can detect pheromones, which are chemicals used for communication. This helps bees find mates, recognize their hive, and alert others to danger. Number 9. Bees are essential for ecosystems. Bees are crucial for maintaining healthy ecosystems. They help plants grow, which in turn supports other wildlife. Without bees, many ecosystems would struggle to survive. Bees also support biodiversity, By pollinating a variety of plants, they help ensure that different species can thrive and provide habitats and food for other animals. Number 10. Bees are under threat. Unfortunately, bees are facing many threats today, including habitat loss, pesticides, and diseases. It's important for us to protect bees and their habitats to ensure their survival and the health of our planet. We can help bees by planting bee-friendly flowers, reducing pesticide use, and supporting local beekeepers. Creating bee habitats like bee hotels can also provide safe places for solitary bees to live and nest. Number 11. Bees have a unique way of regulating hive temperature. Bees can regulate the temperature inside their hive by fanning their wings to cool it down or clustering together to generate heat. This keeps the hive at an optimal temperature for raising young bees and storing honey. Number 12. Bees can recognize human faces. Studies have shown that bees can recognize and remember human faces. They use their complex eyes to see patterns and shapes, allowing them to differentiate between different humans. Number 13. The bee's sting is a defense mechanism. When a bee feels threatened, it uses its sting as a defense mechanism. Unfortunately for the bee, stinging often leads to its death because its stinger gets stuck in the skin of its target. However, some species, like the bumblebee, can sting multiple times without dying. Number 14. Bees can fly in the rain. Bees can fly in light rain, but they prefer not to, because raindrops can knock them off the course. Their wings are strong enough to handle some rain, but also heavy rain can be dangerous for them. Number 15. Bees have a special relationship with certain flowers. Some bees and flowers have evolved together, forming a special relationship. For example, some flowers can only be pollinated by certain species of bees that have the right size or shape to access their nectar. Bees are truly remarkable creatures, playing an indispensable role in our ecosystems and food production. By understanding and appreciating the importance of bees, we can take steps to protect and preserve their populations for future generations. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of bees. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more fascinating facts and stories. This is Facts Beyond Horizon, where learning knows no bounds. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.